Inkulumo kamengameli wakuleli umnumzane uCyril Ramaphosa evuna abantu abokufika ithi ukuthelisa abaningi esikhundleni zokuxhumana nebisa imveze ebantwini njengomuntu ongayikhathaleli iNingizimu Afrika. Mukulesilethu uhle TV sakubingelela ungakhohlwa kwenze ukulungile uncofoze ufollow, like, subscribe ukuze siqhubeke sikwethulele zonke ezingenayo. Kanti udaba esibika ngalo libika ukuthi inkulumo kaloyo ngumengameli wakuleli eNingizimu Afrika umnumzane uCyril Ramaphosa ithi ukuthelisa abantu abaningi ezikhundleni zokuxhumana lokuze emveni kokuba umnumzane uCyril Ramaphosa ethule inkulumo yakhe izolo nalapho khona kaveze khona ukuthi-ke enkulumeni yakhe uyabavuna abokufika ngesikhathi ethi they are looking forward ukuthi-ke babone ama-products ama-Nigerian kuma-shelves ey'tolo zalapha eNingizimu Afrika futhi abantu baseNigeria abangama-tourist sebezokwazi ukuthi bafike la eSouth Africa without presenting ama-passport. Kanti le nkulumo kamengameli bise isusa umsindo esikhundleni zokuxhumana nebe isimveze ebantwini njengomuntu ongabakhathaleli abantu bakuleli noma ongenandaba nabo. Kanti le nkulumo kamengameli bise isusa umsindo esikhundleni zokuxhumana nephinde yamveza ebantwini njengomuntu ongenandaba nabantu bakuleli noma ongabakhathaleli. Sokhumbula ukuthi ezinsukwini ezingengaki noma emasontweni angemengaki kuke kwadlanga-ke umbhikisho othi abantu bokufika kuleli abahambe ngoba badayisa ukudla okungekho esimeni esikahle ukuthi singadliwa abantu bakuleli. Kepha inkulumo kamengameli ikhombisa okukhulu ukubavuna. Bukulesilethu uhle TV angakubambezeli nansi ividiyo sicaphunelana esikhundleni zokuxhumana ungakhohlwa uncofoza like, subscribe, follow ukuze siqhubeke sikwethulele zonke izithe zasematheni.
With these efforts to improve the ease of doing business in South Africa, we want to enable investors to promote and operate their businesses in a manner that will enable them to pursue various opportunities in various sectors of the economy. We look forward to seeing more Nigerian companies investing in South Africa. In fact, we want to see Nigerian products on the shelves of South African shops. Our efforts to create a favorable environment include our simplified visa process for Nigerian business people to travel to South Africa. Qualifying Nigerian business people can be granted a 5-year multiple entry visa. In addition, tourists from Nigeria are now able to apply for a visa without even submitting a passport. We expect that this 11th session of our Binational Commission will enable us to consolidate cooperation in a number of other areas. Our government continues with its efforts